Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra for Straight Talk. So as I'm recording this video, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is up for pre-orders at Straight Talk, and this one will be available February 17th, alright? So when this video goes live on YouTube, the Galaxy S23 Ultra should be available for you guys to purchase. So the Galaxy S23 Ultra is now here for $1199.99 for the 256GB version. It's available in black. This is what the Galaxy S23 Ultra looks like. So you guys got your hole punch there, free front facing camera there, earpiece about that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone. Right. On the left side of the phone, y'all have nothing, but you guys do have a bit of a camera bump down the back, so keep that in mind. And then speaking of the back here, y'all guys got your quad camera set up there. You guys got your camera lenses there, camera flares. Y'all guys got a wide, ultra wide, and two telephoto cameras in that order. So pretty cool there. It's basically a Galaxy S22 Ultra, but with a slightly less curved screen. So it's pretty nice there for holding it in the hand and stuff like that. Live every day to the epic. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra is more than the next big step in mobile tech. With the highest camera resolution on a phone and stunning night mode powered by night photography, you can share those big moments no matter the lighting. Plus, with the fastest Snapdragon processor yet, juggle high intensity games, multiple apps or video calls with ease. Write, sketch, edit, create, and share from anywhere with an built-in S Pen, and do all of the above on an incredibly large display built for gaming, streaming, creating, and doing. Alright, there's the front right there, front, left side, and back. Basically a Galaxy S22 Ultra, like I said, but the screen is less curved on this phone here, so it's pretty nice. Specs: 540 hours of standby time, 5G of course. Your networks, it does have 4G LTE, Wi-Fi, 8211 ABGN and AC dual band Wi-Fi, CDMA, dimensions 6.43 inches height, 3.7 inches width, and 0.35 inches depth. Display 6.8 inches dynamic AMOLED 2x edge display. It's curved, but not as curved. It's not as curved as last year, so that's nice. Y'all guys do get 4 cameras in the back, 200 megapixel wide camera. That's the that's the big one. 12 megapixel ultra wide, 12 megapixel, and 200 megapixel wide, 12 megapixel ultra wide, 10 megapixel telephoto, two 10 megapixel telephoto camera lenses. One of them has a 3x optical zoom, and then the other one has a 10x optical zoom, right? Then you have a 12 megapixel front facing camera, 60 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5.3, 5000 mAh battery, 45 watt wireless, 45 watt fast charging, and 15 watt wireless charging. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, GPS hearing aid, talk time like I just said, 60 hours, 256 gigabytes, 512 or 1 terabyte of storage options. It's 256 gigabytes of RAM, 512 8 gigabytes of RAM, and 1 terabyte 12 gigabytes of RAM. I think that's how the storage configurations are. If I'm wrong, let me know in the comments. The Galaxy S23 Ultra weighs 8.22 ounces. What comes in the box is the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, Type-C to Type-C cable, S Pen of course, SIM ejection tool, services guide, and quick start guide. Y'all will have to provide your own charger. Alright. More features: capture the night, even in low light. Make it a night to remember with stunning night photography. Night mode lets you capture brilliant selfies no matter the lighting. Take out the S Pen, take a pic. Snap pics with your built-in S Pen, simply open up the camera app and click the button on the S Pen instead of the screen. More storage, more memories. Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra lets you keep your favorite memories and any shots in between while capturing new ones. Convenient collaboration. Easily answer video calls and collaborate with the team while remote with Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra and Google Meet. The highest camera resolution on a phone. Share every detail of life's most shared-worthy moments with a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel camera. The highest camera resolution on a phone. That's fucking insane. Our fastest mobile processor available. Smoothly switch between apps and live life at full throttle with our fastest processor ever. Watch anything in any light, no matter your environment. Shape adaptive vision booster adjusts your screen's brightness while keeping your content looking amazing. Capture memories in stunning 8K video. Record in stunning detail with cinematic 8K video. So yeah, there you guys have the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now here at Stray Talk for $11.99 for the 256GB version. So that's pretty nice. So if you guys like the Galaxy Note series, the Galaxy S23 Ultra is the phone for you because it has the S Pen, it has all the Note features that you would expect. So yeah, very nice looking phone. It's basically a Galaxy S22 Ultra, but with newer features and hardware and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.